Hi, hello, namaste, vanakkam and welcome to our channel. And today we are going to learn about the role of vitamin C in boosting up your immune system. Vitamins are also called as micronutrients. These are the organic compounds required by the body in small amounts. These play the major role in metabolism, protection, maintenance of health and the proper growth. Vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin which is also called as ascorbic acid. It was discovered in the year 1926 by George Whipple and George Richard Mint. High levels of vitamin C are found in pituitary gland, adrenal gland, eye cells, white blood cells and the brain. What are the primary sources of vitamin C? Vitamin C is obtained from fresh vegetables and fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, strawberries, guavas, lemons, grapes, bell peppers, melons are rich in vitamin C. And the vegetables like cabbages, green leafy vegetables, lettuce, spinach, tomatoes, potatoes and the liver of calf and ox contain high amounts of vitamin C.
What is the role of vitamin C in boosting the immune system?
Vitamin C acts as an antioxidant and a cofactor helping specific enzyme to perform its function. It acts as a free radical scavenger, meaning it neutralizes the free radicals generated in the body's normal metabolism. Free radicals are the charged particles that can damage the cells, tissues and the genetic material if not neutralized and thus trigger harmful inflammation. Vitamin C contributes to immune defense by supporting various cellular functions of both innate and adaptive immune system. Vitamin C accumulates in phagocytic cells such as neutrophils, which can increase or enhance phagocytosis, generation of reactive oxygen species, thus enhancing microbial killing. Role of vitamin C in lymphocytes is less clear, but it has shown to enhance the differentiation and proliferation of B and T cells. Vitamin C is also able to prevent both respiratory and systemic infections like pneumonia, enhancing various immune cell function. Administration of vitamin C to the patient with acute respiratory infections returns the plasma vitamin C levels to be normal. Cases of acute lung infection has shown rapid clearance of chest X-ray after administration of intravenous vitamin C. Preclinical studies of animals with sepsis-induced lung injury has shown that administration of vitamin C can increase alveolar fluid clearance, which enhances bronchioalveolar epithelial barrier function and attenuate sequestration of neutrophils.
Apart from fighting infections, vitamin C also plays a major role in barrier integrity, gene transcription, hormonal regulation and metabolic pathways.
Vitamin C helps in reabsorption of iron in the intestine by formation of chelate complex formation. It also reduces the poorly soluble Fe3+ ion to highly soluble Fe2+, that is ferrous ion. Vitamin C plays a major role in the synthesis of collagen. Collagen is the most abundant protein and major component of the connective tissue which make up several body parts including tendons, ligaments, skins and muscles. Vitamin C also produces skin with structure and helps in strengthening the bones. What is the recommended dosage of vitamin C to be taken in a daily diet? Men are recommended to take about 90 mg per day, whereas women are recommended to take about 75 mg per day of vitamin C every day in your diet. Or if you are a smoker, you should take about 35 mg more than the recommended dosage, since the smoking depletes the availability of vitamin C in the body. Hope this video was informative and helps you to increase your knowledge in the role of vitamin C. Thank you for watching again. Please like, comment, share this video and please subscribe to our channel Arvind K. Bhandari.